Introducing the first portable folding drone from Hubsan, the all-new Hubsan Zino, a new precedent in design and scientific intelligence that embodies the pinnacle of Hubsan's engineering expertise and craft. Witness the practical understanding of space and portability built within an innovative folding structure, as propellers and arms condense themselves perfectly into the body, reducing total aircraft surface area. Simple design meets sleek aerodynamics. Smooth body lines minimize air resistance. A fusion of mobility and stable flight performance. The new Hubsan Zino is the result of our relentless pursuit for increased performance. We've given the Zino a newly designed 3-axis gimbal to ensure stable shots and peace of mind while filming. The aircraft's body incorporates high quantities of impact-resistant polycarbonate to provide high-impact shock resistance and all-encompassing safety standards. Everything comes together in clever design and high style. Carefully distributed vents provide much-needed internal circulation for heat dissipation. Hubsan Zino, equipped with a compass, barometer, GPS, low-power protection, loss of control protection, and motor stall protection. The Zino and its comprehensive auxiliary performance systems are made to provide you with a safe and enjoyable experience. Hubsan has never stopped pursuing the optimization of user experience, nor technological innovation. We demand excellence from every step of the manufacturing process to the technological experience that the finished product brings to the world.
This is Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like...
So what's different?
Well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry. We've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.